A warm welcome back, cryptomaniacs, guys, girls. Thank you for being here again. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some ZCash for Trip Fontaine. Commenting would be great that you get your insights on ZCash. And yeah, as a rule, will be the first video I'll make tomorrow. Tomorrow was actually yesterday, but I had to focus my attention on the house we are building. And actually, I can show it to you. There is the house we are building, and I had to work a bit on that yesterday. Now this is my crypto cave where I make my videos and I come to work. Here's my pet. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get crypto knowledge and updates daily. I try to make my best to put out updates daily. Doesn't work out every day. Now let's get into ZCash. Comment your own opinions, thoughts, or questions, or next topic to cover if you got some. You want me to talk about something, get my insights on it, as Trip Fontaine did, and I'm gonna make this video for him and my community. I think many people are interested in seeing what ZCash is doing, because there was a nice spike up today. Up and down, but it flattened out the last long time dipping. I took some notes. I made my own research about ZCash before. I didn't want to come unprepared to you. Now ZCash, I've been listening to a CryptoByte video where he was explaining how mining Monero was much more profitable than Ethereum and ZCash. Go on his channel. It was a video from 5 days ago, and get his insights on mining if you are interested on mining and profitability between coins. Now ZCash is a privacy coin compared to Monero. Many say Monero it's better, it has better adoption, better marketing, better advertisement, and we can kind of see that in the trading volume and the market cap. Now ZCash should be at the 16th place. We go back. No, 17th place. It lost the place. Oh yeah, Cardano came into the game, wiping out. Man, how much advertisement there is on CoinMarketCap. It's crazy. I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about Royal Kingdom coin. We get into that a bit later. It has been listed yesterday. No, yesterday? It was yesterday, yes. It's now 16 hours online, and it's tradable on HitBTC and Cryptopia for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Now you can see the prices and the volumes. Yeah, let's get into ZCash. Now, I can't really verify if Monero is better than Ethereum or ZCash. Monero is better than ZCash for marketing, adoption, or all that. I know the Monero has a much bigger brand than ZCash. ZCash is available on Genesis Mining. You can mine it with your own mining rig. Now, ZCash has one of the lowest supplies. As you see, only 2,417,000 coins. 2,417,000 coins and 756. Now, if I'm not wrong, this is one of the lowest supplies in the crypto space, and this is why we see such a high price. Well, the lower circulating supply, I really like that, because in this moment it has a really low market cap. The price is giving to the proportion of the market cap and the circulating supply. You see a 50 million volume in the last 24 hours. A couple of days ago it was $30 million. So I think new fresh money is coming into the ZCash market. I don't personally invest in ZCash. I don't have so much knowledge about it. I'm more into into Bitcoins. Big coins, not Bitcoins. Also Bitcoins, yes, but we see that it has been down. Man, I should get this USD chart taken from Kraken. Give me some better. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we see this big price action, consolidation, and we stood around this 166 support level. Now we could go again and touch it, but it seems like hovering around this other support line. I'll draw a line if I understand how to. I think like this. I would say this is a nice support line. It touched it many times. It could be that we go lower of that if some news come out, or we just go and search the next resistance. And this is a effing chart, because you have such a huge candle there when it has been listed in the first place that it kind of F's up the whole chart. Now, as experience tells me, we could go back and test this $170, $160 previous support line, but it's not likely to happen. Another support line now we have on $213, $215. You see where the line, the candles touch always the same line, and this is 215. Now I would say if the price spikes up over 264, we are kind of resistance free, or even 270. We could see a massive price action right now in these days, as we see the volume increasing. We can go and see the order books. There is a huge buy wall, while little sells. So this is likely to push the price up, and we see it now trading for 0.04345 against Bitcoin. Now I drew some lines, and we can see here we are hovering about this level, 225 to 245 right now, and this looks like the most recent support level, as it always bounces off on it. The next resistance level, I would say it's about 266, and if we break out that one, we go and search the next one at 315, and then I would say practically we have no resistance anymore. We have to go and search the next resistance after that. We can see here kind of this descending triangle, but I'm not really sure if I can rely on this triangle, as it looks really doesn't look really, this looks more as another support line. There's no real triangle in this. What I'll be watching for, and I'm gonna think about investing in it or not, is to see what the next price action will be. Are we gonna reach 275? Are we gonna bounce on that and bounce back between 225 and 265? If we step over this line, I'll be considering about putting some money on it, because we could easily get to this other resistance line and break through that, and if we break through that, we could see the last highs again around $400. It was I think June. It was around the 19th, the second, between the second and third week of June. and it had really this price spike in from the half of May to almost a little bit more than the half of June. So for one whole month it spiked up, and it has been now on a downtrend and consolidating. Well, downtrend for another month and consolidating now for 3 months, like Ethereum. Had a huge spike up over 3 months. 3 months now consolidation and downtrend, and we are looking forward to another price spike during the next weeks or months, probably months. Who knows if at the end of the year we can be a $600 Ethereum, $400, $500, or even $800 Zcash, Bitcoin $10,000. There's much speculation about that. I even saw videos. They were comparing Bitcoin to the .com bubble, and they were saying after Bitcoin touches the 10,000, we'll go back to $500. Man, oh man, if that is true, many people, many people will be cut off of the game. But I truly don't think that's gonna happen. I think there is more behind Bitcoin and the Bitcoin rise than just a pure market speculation and manipulation. People understand the value of the technology, and Bitcoin has been the precursor of all blockchains, so that's why it's the most valuable since now, till now. Sorry for my English, guys. This was ZCash. Comment if I missed something. Tell me your opinions on that. Tell me how I can make my analyze better. I watch other videos and I try to implement that what they do to what I do, but it's much better if I get personal feedback from you viewers, you subscribers, and I love to cover topics that my subscribers tell me, because then I go directly to the point of your interest, and I want to give you the as much value as possible. So going into Royal Kingdom coin, this is a coin I joined, an ICO I joined actually in June, and I wanted to read this little paragraph to you. It has value behind it. Open source software allows people to just copy paste the code of existing cryptocurrencies and have a new one in a blink of an eye. Want a coin for your favorite kind of fish? Sometimes it's easy as filling out a form and click generate. It's fun but useless. And the price is paid on a pure speculation without no value backing it. So we are determined to spend all profits, revenue minus costs, of Royal Kingdom Enterprise and its project each month starting from January, blah blah blah. 50% will be used to buy RKC coins from the open market, swallowing sell orders and driving up the price. So the own company is going to purchase their own tokens. It's gonna make them a major token holder, so it could be there could be market manipulation behind this coin. But if we just watch on their good faith, it's to drive the price up, and 50% of the revenue will be invested back in the company. The RKC we will have both with a proportional distributed between all the token holders, and this is what catch me into the game. 50% they will reinvest back, and 50% they will swallow up sell orders and redistribute equally the coins to the token holders. So if I continue to hold their tokens for a year, who knows how many gratis coins, free coins I could get from them. And you'll decide whether to sell it, to sell the difference, or hold and use the power of compounding to accumulate value. Now, what is it actually? Royal Kingdom Enterprise is a Middle East startup company registered in Dubai with the decentralized team all over the world. You can go to their website. It's royalkingdomcoin.com. Don't get into scams and stuff like that. People take care what domain name the real site has. go and read the white paper. You can make an account. You can start selling, buying these coins. This is not an investment advice. This is not. I didn't get sponsorship from them, or so I'm not making advertising for them. This is just an email I got today that they will list it on CoinMarketCap, and I just wanted to add this in my video. So we will just see how it will go with Royal Kingdom coin. Nice thing, the first thing they explain, it's not a scam. Unfortunately, it happens so often in the cryptocurrency world that we need to address it first. It's sad when the project does not go the way it's supposed to go. But it is just awful when the team pulls a scam on contributors disappearing after the ICO or doing other shady stuff against the community. We are an official company registered in Dubai and following all laws and regulations. Our ICO already over, and we have proven that we are not scammers. We quickly respond on multiple support channels, including Ticket and Slack, and we always resolve the technical issues our contributors have. So they got a good support channels, and they are really behind that. Now you can see where you can trade it. You can see their resources. They can see where they have been mentioned it on, and all of that. People make your own research. This was a good buy in my opinion back in June. Now we are around this. I think the ICO price, ICO results, let's get back. I don't remember what exactly the ICO price was, but right now it's trading on around 50 cents or so, 48, 50, 52. I don't take this average. Well, I'll make an average between these three, and it's gonna be 50 cents. So yeah, 49.33. So people, I leave you with this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the like button, the bell, and all. Yeah, you know. And just comment something valuable, guys. I want to give value to your opinion. I want to give value to your questions. I will be answering any comment. I hope. And yeah, that was it. Thank you very much for watching, guys.